Have you ever started typing a text and your phone guessed what you were going to say next? That's predictive text, your device recognizing patterns to make a smart guess. Large language models, or LLMs, work the same way. They study patterns in data to predict what comes next, whether it's a word, a sentence, or even a color. Today, you'll think like a large language model and explore how prediction works. You will need Evo, a coding device, and the activity sheets. You've probably used an LLM before, tools that can answer questions, write essays, or even help you brainstorm ideas. But have you ever thought about how they know what to say? In this lesson, you'll learn how large language models, or LLMs, are trained to predict what comes next, based on the data they've seen. You'll begin by running a program that simulates how an LLM collects and learns from data using Ozobot. Then you'll connect that idea to creative writing by predicting what happens next in a short story and programming Ozobot to act it out. By the end, you'll understand that LLMs aren't guessing randomly. They use patterns from training data to make predictions, and the quality and balance of that data shapes everything they generate. In the first part of this lesson, you will use a method called deconstruction. Instead of coding from scratch, you'll start with a completed program and analyze how it works to learn from its design. In Ozobot Blockly, connect Ozobot and open the shared program for this lesson. The maze and code are already set up for you. Place your bot at the start of the maze and run the program. As Ozobot moves, it follows the color path and collects data. When it reaches the end, it will say and display the pattern of colors it just traveled. That pattern represents what Ozobot learned, its version of training data. Now look closely at the sequence of colors. Predict which color would come next and explain your reasoning. This is how a large language model works. It learns from examples and uses those patterns to make predictions about the next token or piece of data. That's how Ozobot and a large language model can learn from data to make predictions about what comes next. Now you will move from deconstruction to construction. You'll build something new by applying what you learned about patterns and prediction in a creative way. Write the beginning of a short story, 2 or 3 sentences long. Then swap your story with a partner. Read your partner's story and predict what happens next, just like a large language model predicting the next token. Program Ozobot to act out your prediction. For example, if your story is about a dog chasing a ball, program Ozobot to roll toward a drawn ball on paper and spin when it catches it. When you run your program, watch how your prediction plays out. Think about how you use patterns and context from your partner's story to decide what came next. That's exactly how AI uses data to make predictions.